body grows bigger. Your mind lost power. It's great to learn, 'cause knowledge is power. Your schoolhouse rocket, the tip on the block of your favorite schoolhouse. You've been waiting for Conjunction Junction.
Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up words and phrases and clauses. Conjunction Junction, how's that function? I got 3 favorite cards that get most of my job done. Conjunction Junction, what's their function? I got and, but, and, or, they'll get you pretty far. And, that's an additive, like this and that. But, that's sort of the opposite. Not this, but that. And then there's or, O-R. When you have a choice like this or that. And, but, and, or, get you pretty far. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up 2 boxcars and making them run right. Milk and honey, bread and butter, peas and rice. Hey, that's nice. Dirty but happy, digging and scratching, losing your shoe and a button or 2. He's poor but honest, sad but true. Ooh. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up 2 cards to 1 when you say something like this. Choice, either now or later, or no choice. Neither now nor ever. Hey, that's clever. Eat this or that, grow thin or fat. Never mind, I wouldn't do that. I'm fat enough now. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up phrases and clauses that balance like out of the frying pan and into the fire. He cut loose the sandbags, but the balloon wouldn't go any higher. Let's go up to the mountains or down to the seas. You should always say thank you or at least say please. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up words and phrases and clauses in complex sentences like every mornings when I'm usually wide awake, I love to take a walk through the gardens and down by the lake where I often see a duck and a drake. And I wonder as I walk by just what they'd say if they could speak. Although I know that's an absurd thought. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up cards and making a function. Conjunction Junction, how's that function? Like tying up words and phrases and clauses. Conjunction Junction, watch that function. I'm gonna get you there if you're very careful. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? I'm going to get you there if you're very careful. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? I'm going to get you there.
Okay, so this, as you can tell, we are talking about conjunctions today. So this lesson is for Thursday, February 4th. Learn about it. You can open up this doc in your Google Classroom. Conjunctions are short words used to join words or phrases. A coordinating conjunction joins elements that are equal or alike. Coordinating conjunctions come between the elements being joined, or as in the song, hooking up words and phrases and clauses. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that are always used together. The words or phrases they join must be of the same type, such as in the song, hooking up 2 cars to 1 when you say something like a choice or no choice. Coordinating conjunctions are your fanboys. That's the acronym you can use to remember for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Using those 7 words in a sentence can connect independent clauses and could each be a sentence on its own. With fanboys, the writer can show readers how the ideas in the 2 clauses relate to one another. Read these sentences. Notice the words used to connect ideas. My father and I went skiing and skating. So my father can't stand alone here. My father and I went skiing and skating. Here's the 2 ideas, skiing and skating. The weather was cold but not freezing. So the weather was cold, could stand alone, but not freezing. It's connecting this independent clause to this dependent clause. And then these two are used as pairs, neither nor. Neither my father nor I wore gloves. So here are the conjunctions in the sentences. Your coordinating conjunctions are any of your fanboys, and, but, and your correlated conjunctions are the pair, neither nor. These little dots here in between represent that there are words in between neither nor. They're not right next to each other. Neither my father nor I wore gloves. Okay, and here's a list of your conjunctions you can refer back to. Again, your coordinating, your fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, or your correlative, your pair. You can say but, and, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but only. So now we're going to read the passage. You can underline using your tools up here. You highlight and then click on this U. When you hover above it, it says underline. Or you can highlight the correlative conjunctions. So just whatever tools you can figure out how to use, mark those correlative and coordinating conjunctions. Okay, the amazing Atacama. The Atacama Desert is one of the strangest yet most fascinating places on Earth. Located on the western coast of South America, this desert lies in Chile, Peru, Bolivia, and Argentina. The region receives little or no precipitation. Neither rain nor snow falls here. In some areas, no rain has been observed or recorded in over 400 years. Many people consider it the driest place on Earth. The only moisture the Atacama ever receives is in the form of a heavy fog called Comanchica. This fog is a rare but important source of water for plants and animals in the Atacama. The fog is caused when cold Antarctic air and warm desert air collide. People use fog nets to harvest the fog and capture it for drinking water. The Atacama Desert is not only famous for miles and miles of sand, but also for a surprising number of astronomical observatories. Why are there so many huge telescopes there? The answer is related to its weather and geography. The dry climate and high altitude mean that there is almost never any cloud cover there. There are few cities in the Atacama, so neither light pollution nor radio interference will cause problems for astronomers there. It's a pretty interesting desert. Now, I want you to mark this up and then check your work. So I'm going to give you some time to mark it, or actually just pause your video, mark your Google Doc up, and then come down here and check to see if you underlined the coordinating conjunction, such as yet, and highlighted your correlative conjunctions, such as neither and nor. So go through here, underlining, highlighting, and then double check your work. Then you can use this paper, this reference, as you take the quiz on the Google form. This will be listed on your assignment for Thursday. Don't forget to put your first and last name, your class period, and then I'll give this first one to you if you're listening to the video. Neither my mother nor my father had ever heard of the slogan reduce, reuse, and recycle. Which words are the correlative conjunctions? Neither nor, had ever, or and. And you can go back to that reference sheet to see the list of correlative conjunctions, and it's neither nor. Okay, so I gave the first one to you. This is worth 11 points. So use this sheet to refer back to your different types of conjunctions, and then take the quiz. Feel free to listen to the song again.